Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Open Settings and confirm your iPhone runs a recent iOS. Outdated system often blocks sharing. Once done, add screen recording to Control Center so you can start quickly. Make sure the target app, FaceTime, Zoom, or Teams, is updated and allowed to record. Also connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi or enable a personal hotspot for stable streaming. Now swipe to open Control Center and get ready to initiate screen broadcast. Now you'll configure and start the actual broadcast so viewers see exactly what you intend. Close or silence apps that might show private alerts. Open the app or screen you'll demonstrate. Swipe to Control Center, press and hold the screen recording icon, then pick the meeting app or broadcast destination and tap Start Broadcast. If you want a narrate, enable microphone audio. If you need a camera overlay, grant camera access. You'll notice a red status bar or pill indicating recording is live. That confirms the stream is active. To complete sharing, stop cleanly and address common failures so you can try again. Tap the red status bar or pill and choose Stop, or open Control Center and stop the screen recording. That ends the broadcast and saves no unwanted content. If viewers report a black screen, first check app permissions and microphone/camera access, then reconnect Wi-Fi or switch networks. Restart the meeting app or the iPhone if needed. If problems persist, update or reinstall the meeting app and retry. That often resolves codec or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.